binoculars, you might take a look at that great big white bird in the water over there.
It's Sophie, our guide, one of our guides here. And we got Drew over here too. We're all wearing our mask. We are at a point in Grand Teton Park on our way to Yosemite. And it's a beautiful day. We all have our mask on. I'm going to show you myself here so you can see I got my mask on too. So there it is back there. Okay. That's all right. You're good. You're famous now.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
And there's the board there. Okay, you can probably see the back of me here. And take a little, this is called Oxbow Bend Turnout. And you can see the water in the lake. It's a nice spot, beautiful weather. It's still a little cool. You may not be able to hear me because of the mask, but that's the way travel is these days in COVID times. All right. Can't see me smiling, but I am.